Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I'm Jason with the Husted team at Jeff Cook Real Estate. Today we're going to be checking out the Nexton community. Nexton was named #1 community in the US. That's pretty awesome, right? Each week we're going to be doing new walkthroughs, different videos, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click like. That way each week you'll be alerted every time we put up a new video and do a different walkthrough. Nexton is located in Summerville, South Carolina. It is a smart, vibrant blend of businesses, shops, schools, new homes, and apartments connected to each other by trails, park, and nature. At the heart of Nexton is Nexton Square, home to local businesses, shops, and gyms. You can find what you are looking for your lifestyle. Stop by Title Boxing and Bolt Fitness, and then you can refuel with a smoothie at Tropical Smoothie afterwards. If you are looking for brunch, there is Vicious Biscuit or Coogan Southern Kitchen. If you want a burger and fries, you can go over and check out Bad Daddy's Burgers. On a fancy night out in the town, there is Hall's Chop House. They are amazing. Let's hop to some of the neighborhoods of Nexton. Right down the street there is Brighton Park, a quiet neighborhood with parks, playgrounds, a 25-meter pool, and a really cool dog park as well. A short drive away there is Midtown. It is called Midtown for a reason. This is right in the middle of Nexton and minutes from downtown Summerville or Cane Bay. There are 5 builders located here with a variety of models so that you can find the home of your dreams. There is Bradford Point, featured by Syntex Homes. There is a resort style pool, sport field, and even a basketball court. Finally, we have North Creek Village. True Homes is the builder here. This neighborhood is a walking distance from Cane Bay and has many shops such as Publix, Starbucks, Smoothie King, and many local restaurants. Hey guys, thanks for checking out our video. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe. That way each week you'll be alerted every time we put up a new video. Again, this is Jason with the Husted team at Jeff Cook Real Estate. Thanks for checking out Nexton.